Good evening. Kids love them, but a new study shows more children are getting hurt in that popular backyard party playhouse, the bounce house. It is an industry that's growing in Austin too when it comes to people who rent out this equipment. But a new study shows 30 children a day across the U.S. are going to emergency rooms now with injuries from bounce houses. Tonight, we are taking an in-depth look at this industry and the safety standards that regulate them here at home. Jennifer Kendall brings her boys to the Locomotion indoor bounce playhouse in Austin at least once a week.
They get their energy out and they love it here.
But this mom knows you can't take your eyes off them even for a minute.
There's lots of couches around, so there's lots of places for parents to sit and watch their kids. They always have staff walking around. And it's easy to supervise here.
It's all about safety and supervising the kids. We have floor attendants that walk around, and although we're parent supervised, we provide the floor attendants to watch the kids.
Linnell Cilliuson owns Locomotion along with her husband and says she was disappointed by the results of the Journal Pediatrics study showing more children are being seriously injured in bounce houses, because safety here is such a priority.
Every inflatable is inspected on a yearly basis.
Tell me a little bit about safety when it comes to those things.
Well, that's important. If a child, comes down, they're sliding fast, or they jump out, that just helps protect them. It's probably happening because it's become more popular. A lot more people are, getting them for their backyard. For their kids to play on.
Quite frankly, it's not shocking to me.
Jason Magdalena owns one of those backyard rental companies, Bounce Around Austin, and says there are companies who don't follow safety standards.
We don't allow any installations that we don't install. So some of the companies will allow pickups and customer installations. That's something that we have chosen not to do. We feel like it allows for a safer environment.
Magdalena's company also trains an adult on hand about the rules, but he says there should be more standard safety regulations for all companies who are involved in the inflatable attraction industry.
The industry is growing rapidly, and so it needs to be regulated more.
Well, the Texas Department of Insurance regulates inflatables. They're classified as Class B amusement rides, and that means each one has to be inspected once a year. The company has to carry insurance and pay $40 per piece of equipment each year. That's all the regulation there is, though. There is an organization here in Texas, the Texas Inflatable Operations Association, TIOA.org, where anyone can log on and check which companies are in compliance with state regulations. We have posted that link with this story at KXAN.com.